Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine, doing great, everything's fine. Can you hear me everyone? Alright, thank you so much for confirmation. And this is our weekly webinar. In this webinar, we are going to do market analysis and quick question answer session. And this is our last webinar of 2023 because after 1 month rest, I will create something special for you, some stuff for you, which will be released in a January month. So I'm also taking some rest from trading, and I will suggest you for everyone take some rest in this holiday month, in a December month, which will be very helpful for everyone in terms of the psychological and mindset. And this is our last webinar, as you know, as I announced in a Discord community. And otherwise everything will be continue like Discord community access and quick answer session, like on in terms of the chat section. Okay, so you can now ask your question answer on a Telegram as well as, and everything will be continue, but webinar will be closed for a 1 month. And I will create some educational stuff like diagram and few possible videos in Hindi and English as well as, which will be released after a new year, so which is very important for all members. All right, so let's start the session. First of all, in this webinar, as you know, we are going to do market analysis. So starting from the major pair, as you know, GBP/USD, EUR/USD, gold, Bitcoin, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and other requested pair as well as will be added there. Okay, so first of all, we are starting from EUR/USD. Let's start from higher time frame to lower time frame. What happening here? Start from weekly time frame because this is important for everyone. Okay, so right now this is our weekly time frame structure, and everything was bearish in terms of the weekly time frame. There is no bullish indication, just market take a pullback and continue pushing downside. So right now, as right, the current price action, what happening here, if you can see the previous structure as well as, this was our previous lower lows create here and lower high, and again market taken out this one here. Okay, this was another structure was here because the main low broken this one, and this become our chalk because just below it everything was bullish and market looking for to the continuation, and finally market break this one and taking out the inducement right here. After taking out the inducement, confirm higher high, push downside and break the main low, which means indication that market are not able to go higher, market looking for to downside. And then what we are looking here, we are looking here for generally sell because the market structure has been changed. But when we can sell, first one is a market must be taken out of the inducement, then we can sell, and next one is area market tap on extreme PY, then we can sell. So in this situation, where is our decisional point? So in this case, this one is our first PY when we are looking for the sell after taking out the inducement. So market taking out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, first of all, you have to identify where is our unmitigated order flow, because order flow is a primary and order block is a part of the order flow. So first of all, you have to mark the order flow. If there is no order flow left unmitigated, so you have to check unmitigated order block. Okay, so first of all, look at the unmitigated order flow. Look at this one. This order flow start from here because this one is a decisional inducement like PY, and this one is our last buying move before the stop, which is already mitigated here. It means this one is not valid zone for the sell. You have to check another one is there. So this one is our last buying move before the stop here, right? So this one is our next PY when we are looking for the sell. Market tap here, create small reaction and market not able to break the main low and continue trying to go higher and planning to sell on extreme. Okay, so this is indication that market are not looking for the sell. Okay, just create a small pullback and continue break this high. Now you have to sell on extreme PY. So where is our extreme? Where is our extreme PY? So in this case, look at this one. This is our last buying move before the stop here, which is already mitigated here. Okay, so this one is a mitigate here. If there is any unmitigated order block or anything, then you have to check here. So which one is here? This one is the last pullback here, right here. Okay, so this one is the next pullback at this point, which is already mitigated by this one. So this one is not also a valid, right? Look at this one. This one is the last buying move before the stop. This one. Okay, so this one is a looks unmitigated order block, so we can take risk here for the sell. If price tap here, then we can expect a downside move right here. Okay, so you have to wait for it to mitigate this one, then price drop into downside. So short term pulse will move to the upside before the continuation in a downside. So right now we are trading in a counter trend in terms of the weekly time frame. Okay, now switch here in a 4-hour time frame and 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening in a lower time frame. Then we can expect that what we can expect here. Okay, right now you can see the market momentum was completely bearish and now turned into bullish. So first of all, you have to mark the structure here. Where is our previous structure here? Look at this one. So this one is our previous lower low, and this point become our lower high because this was the highest point here. Market break this low and create new structure as well as here. Now structure, where is our new structure here? Okay, this one's a lower low and this point become our lower high right now here. Okay, again market push downside and break this low and confirm this become our break of structure here. Okay, continue pushing downside. You have to mark again where is our possible inducement and when we can take entry here. So market up, continue pushing downside, and finally market create new lower low here. Okay, and again market taken out the inducement right here, and after taking out the inducement, market confirm higher high right here, push downside and create next break of structure right here. And finally what happened here? Market break this high and confirm this point become our new break of chalk, change of character here. And market now looking for to the upside move. You have to wait for it to confirm this higher high, which was confirmed here at this point because market closed over it. So this point become our higher high. Again what happened? Market break this one and close over it. So this point become our next break of structure right here, push downside. This point become our higher low because the price close of it, push downside, and you have to wait for it taken out the inducement. So in this case, if you can see, this is a very minor pullback here. If you can see this one, the black candle low is broken by this one. So it's a small pullback, and we can use the small pullback to count the higher high, as you know. So this is our new higher high, push downside, again break of structure right here. Okay, and this one is our new higher low right here. Again market continue going higher high, and you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement to confirm higher high. So right now there is no inducement taken out, just you have to wait for it to taken out this inducement. Then we can expect this point become our higher high is possible here. After taking out the inducement, possibly we are looking for to buy to the upside, and maybe market go higher. Okay, and then taken out the inducement and then possible to the upside, something like that. Okay, so this is a possible scenario in terms of the 4-hour time frame. Now let's check in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly what happening here. So this is our 15-minute chart, and as you can see here, previous structure was created here at this point like this. This was our previous higher high here, technically this one, right? This was our previous swing here, and this is our higher high, and this point become our higher low because the high confirm here, push downside, and finally market taken out the inducement. Which point? Market taken out the inducement right here, taken out the inducement, confirm higher high, break this one, and you have to wait for it to closer, price close of it and confirm new higher high, and this point become our chalk. And after chalk, price again looking for a drop, and this move something like and break, and this is a chalk because structure is a change bullish. This is a break of structure, this is a next break of structure, this is just liquid, price close of it. Okay, so finally close of it, confirm higher high, taken out the inducement, and then push downside, break the main low, which is a convert into bearish. Okay, and again push downside, and you have to wait for it to taken out the inducement to confirm, and then we can sell here. So where is our possible scenario? Chalk and push downside, there is no inducement taken out, and finally market confirm this is a higher low because the inducement taken out. And at this point what happened here? Create break of structure. Okay, and this point become our higher low, lower lows, lower high, and push down, break this high, another, this is chalk, and after chalk taken out the inducement, unmitigated order flow, go higher, break this one, this is a higher high, higher low, and now we are looking for the buy after taking out this inducement, after taking out the inducement, and then possible go higher, this unmitigated order block. Okay, because just float everything is mitigated here, either market break this high and then we can continue go higher. So this is a possible scenario in a 15-minute time frame. Okay, I think this one is a pullback, that's why I mark here if equal low. So this one is a not yes, exactly, this one is a looks valid pullback, but I thought but in reality this one is a not low broken. Okay, so if this low is not broken, so structure will be count something like, show you exactly here. This become our internal structure, this move become our single leg move here, and this is our break of structure, right? Okay, now we are going to start on a GPUSD, start from higher time frame to lower time frame to see exactly in a daily time frame what happening here. So this is our daily time frame structure in a GPUSD. So everyone mark the structure here. What is the current structure right now? Everyone mark the structure in a GPUSD in a daily time frame. Okay, so as we mark the structure here, this one is our previous higher high and higher low. As you know, this one is our higher high. Okay, and structure broke here, and confirm this point become our break of structure right now. Okay, push downside and break this one, and this point become our higher low right here. Okay, again continue going higher high, confirm new higher high at this point, and taken out the inducement right now. Okay, so inducement taken out, push downside, confirm another break of structure is here, pushing down upside, finally market confirm new higher high is here, and taken out the inducement at this point, and this is our higher low right here. So this is a technically is a bullish structure here. Okay, and everything is a bullish here, and now at this point what happened here, market break this main low is here and convert into bearish. Market was bullish and now turn into bearish, so this is an indication for the reversal. So which point we are looking for the entry? So in this case, first of all you have to mark the unmitigated order flow. First of all mark the order flow. If order flow is mitigated here, in this case if order flow is mitigated, then you can mark unmitigated order block. कोई बात नहीं, इसको भी मार्क कर सकते हैं, एक ही बात है, ठीक है. तो after this change of character, market taken out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, possibly we are looking for the entry, which point you have to mark unmitigated order flow. So where is our unmitigated order flow? This one is our pullback right here. Okay, because this one is a valid pullback, and valid pullback is the first area when we are looking for the sell, and next one is here, this point, which is already mitigated by this one. So this one is also mitigated, and above it everything is mitigated here. So technically we have only one PY Euro USD. Sir, I will check later. First of all I need to finish this. So where is our extreme PY? Extreme PY is here, right here, because this one is an extreme, and you can sell here on extreme PY. So this is a decisional price type here, create reaction and fail. So now we are looking for the buy till this PY mitigation here. Okay, so once price mitigate this one, then we are looking for the sell, but for short term we can expect a buying momentum to the upside till this PY mitigation here, right? So this is our daily time frame structure. If I'm going to show you here in a 15-minute time frame to see exactly in a 15-minute time frame, this is our structure at this point. Okay, so if you want to mark the structure as well as here, so what is the correct structure right now? Okay, so everyone mark the structure here in a 15-minute time frame in a GPU. Okay, so most of the member mark the correct structure is here. Let me delete all the things. Look at this one. This one is our previous higher high here, and this is our higher low, because market taken out the inducement and break this high, and once market break the previous main high or low and close of it, so confirm a valid break of structure. In this case market just sweep the liquidity, so this is not a valid structure, but price close of it in a next attempt. So this one is our higher high, taken out the inducement, confirm this one higher low, because the structure is a confirm. At this point another one, where is our higher high? This one, sorry, this one, because this is a small pullback here. If you can see at this point, let me zoom this part. Look at this one. This is our higher high, and this point become our higher low. Another break of structure here, and after break of structure, what are you looking here? We are looking for the another buy after taking out the inducement. This is a higher high, taken out the inducement, break this one, and at this point confirm a chalk. So this point become lower lows and lower high, push downside, taken out the inducement, another break the structure here, and this point become our chalk, because structure is a shift bearish to bullish here. Okay, this is a chalk. Again market push downside, and we need to wait for taken out the inducement before the buy. So this is our higher high is here, but if market taken out the inducement right now, this is a single leg move here. Okay, But at this point, I think this one is a taken out the inducement right here. So this point become our higher high right here, because this is a small pullback here, right? This is a higher low. Again break the structure. Again we need a wait for taken out the inducement and then buy to the upside. Okay. So this is a possible scenario in a GBP/USD in a 15-minute time frame. Order flow has to mitigate in terms of the next move, or sir, in terms of the, sir, order flow need to mitigate by the pullback. Okay, so which will be more valid, become a more valid in terms of the pullback. Okay, now we are going to switch on another one is a gold. First of all, check in a 4-hour time frame, because daily time frame is still a similar situation as we have discussed in a previous webinar. So I think 4 hour is still a similar situation. Let's check a 15-minute time frame. So this is our 15-minute scenario in a gold. Look at this one. That's perfect. Let's annotate here, everyone. What is correct structure? Sometime you take a candlestick close or liquidity sweep. How can, when market sweep the previous high or low in terms of the shadow big, which is a liquidity sweep. Okay, sometime I choose candlestick closer, but when market taken out the inducement or create a SCOB single candle order block, in that case we can use. But mostly of the time when market create a shadow, which is a strong indication for the reversal. Yes sir, this is a perfect. Everyone mark the valid structure here, everyone, because this is a very simple. Okay, look at this one. This was our previous higher high is here. Why? Because market taken out the inducement. So which point market taken out the inducement? Right now. Taken out the inducement, confirm higher high, and this higher low is confirmed because this highs are broken and candle close over it. So this point become our break off structure is here, right? Again break this low, and this become our higher high because market taken out the inducement is here. Technically push downside, break the main low and close below it. So once market close below it, so this point become our chalk right here. Push downside, confirm new lower lows, taken out the inducement. This high lower high is a confirm because this one is a confirm, is a chalk, sorry boss, because the first one is a chalk and next one is a boss, and boss we use as a continuation and chalk for the reversal. Push high and break this one, and this point also confirm as a chalk because this one is a reversal. Look at this one. Again continue pushing higher high and confirm where is our valid structure here. Another one is higher high is here, taken out the inducement, confirm new higher low because this high is a broken and close of it. So this point become our break off structure. Where is our next PY and where is our next higher high? Look at this one. This one is our higher high is here because this pullback is a taken out, small pullback here. Previous candle was a broken, mitigate unmitigated order flow here, and we are looking for the buy till this high is a broken. So everything is a bullish here and looks everything is a bullish. So we can expect a continuation move to the upside till this high is a broken. Okay, at this internal structure, what we can expect? We can expect if market came back to the downside. Look at this one. This is internal structure. Previous low is a sweep here. So this area become our strong zone like this. If market came back this zone and then possible to do higher because and possibly this unmitigated side to here. So looks very high chances market came back down before to continue go higher to mitigate to taken out the previous high is here. Okay, now switch on a next pair is a Bitcoin. Let's take a daily weekly time frame. What happening here in a weekly time frame is a similar situation. Right now there is no indication for the buy and sell at the current price action. As a day trading, we need to take a lower time frame, like 1 hour is enough to trade day trading. But for the long term perspective, as you know, price must be pushed a little bit more downside before to continue go higher. I think in a monthly time frame, this is a strong zone for the buy, this one right here, because market taken out this inducement here, and after taking out the inducement, price must be mitigate this zone before to continue go higher for the next bull run, right? Okay, so possibly market react in this at this zone here, right here, because this is the last buying momentum before this top. So possibly market react here any zone in another time frame like daily and 4 hour, and then possibly to the downside before to continue go higher. So this one is a take actually a lot of time, I think, in a weekly time frame. Yes, this one is a possible scenario, I think. Okay, so this one is a possible scenario. If market came back this zone, then we can expect a downside move right here. So possibly short term one more possible move to the upside to test this 45,000 USD level before to continue or drop. So let's take a 4-hour time frame to see exactly what happening here. In a 4-hour time frame looks bullish, but market looking in a very choppy price action here. Okay, so this is a very choppy price action. There is no any clear indication for the buy and sell. When market sweep the previous high or low, then possibly sell and buy majority of the time in a crypto market, because market collect more liquidity on main high or low, because most of the traders put the stop loss on below and above the main high or low. Okay, let's look at the 15-minute time frame. In a 15-minute time frame, structure is a similar as a complicated like in a ranging. So similar situation, you have to trade on previous highs are broken and taken out the inducement. Okay, so which high is a grab the liquidity, something like this. So this zone become our strong for the sell. Okay, which grab the liquidity, something like this. If market is a bullish and this is pullback is a taken out and continue go higher, so this zone become our high probability zone. If market came back this zone, then very highly chances market take a pullback to the upside, because this low is a grab the by this low. Okay, so that's why if market came back this one and continue go higher, don't buy something like this, create pullback and you are buying. Okay, most of the time you will be trapped. You have to buy and sell after taking out the inducement, after taking out the liquidity, something like this. Okay, don't try to buy here. Okay, so this is a trap. Go higher and again came back this zone and you have to buy here, because this low is a trap. Cat JPY. Okay, let's take a bank nifty. What happening in a bank nifty, and after that I will start quick question answer session. So this is a bank nifty situation. Let's check in a 15-minute time frame. I think this was a we have discussed in a previous webinar as well, as this was a structure here right now. Previous swing high is a here and taken out the daily time frame. This is a daily inducement. Market can be tapped this one before a downside move, because in a daily time frame market create chalk, which is an indication for the downside move. So possibly market mitigate this one before a downside move right here. Okay, and let's look at the 15-minute time frame as a day trading perspective. What happening here? As a day trading perspective, this is our area when we are looking for the buy. If market came back this zone, then we can expect continue go higher. Let's take a 5-minute time frame. As a 5-minute time frame, what is the current situation here? This is our current situation in a 5-minute time frame in a Nifty. When market take a low and break this high and came back this one and then buy. So this area become more high probability, because this low is already grab here. Don't try to buy on a single pull. Okay, so this is our current situation in a bank nifty is in a ranging, and price must be mitigate extreme PY. Let's check a look at this structure here. This was previous higher high, higher low, break this high, confirm new higher high, taken out the inducement, price mitigate this one and tap and fail and broke the main low, which is an indication that market are not able to go higher and push downside, so we can sell. Okay, so if market tap here and then possible sell here. Okay, but look at this structure here as well, as this is an internal structure which grab the liquidity, so possibly market can hit this order block and reaction and possibly tap this low without mitigation. Okay, so this is technically decisional POI, right? Let's check a 15-minute time frame. In a 15-minute time frame, this was our previous higher high was created here, higher high, higher low, break this one, continue pushing higher high, again taken out the inducement, decisional POI and extreme. Where is market type here? Then possibly a downside move for the short term. We can, which one you have to follow, the ONDA and FXTM. You can follow as per your broker. Like if your broker price matching as per the ONDA or FXTM, then you have to follow, because every broker is a little bit different in terms of the price. So I will suggest you have to follow a broker as per your current broker, which one you are using. If price are similar, then you have to use. Otherwise, how to check the broker? So it's a very simple. Check the like ONDA. Okay, ONDA price and your broker price. Okay, if same, then you have to trade. Otherwise, you have to check another broker like ONDA, FXCM, forex.com. There are different brokers. Okay, let's start question answer session, and after that I will finish this webinar 4-hour IDM taken out Euro USD. Okay, I think you have marked this one as IDM. Absolutely, IDM taken out, higher high confirm here, unmitigated POI, grab the liquidity and buy till this. सर मार्केट में EOB ओके एक्सट्रीम ऑर्डर ब्लॉक में आया और लास्ट कैंडल का हाई स्वीप करे। हाँ बिल्कुल बोल सकते हो, जब भी when market break the previous high or low, sweep the previous high or low and create SCOB, then you have to take trade, so which is also called external liquidity grab. sweep पे कैसे एंट्री लें? sweep पे एंट्री बहुत सिंपल है और उस पर वीडियोज़ भी ऑलरेडी मेंशन किया है, ई बुक में भी मेंशन किया है, तो आप वहाँ से कर सकते हो। अगर कोई भी इशू आता है तो आप टेलीग्राम करके मैसेज कर। US100 इज आई थिंक we have done in a previous webinar. US100 in a daily time frame I think is a sweep the previous structure high or low in previous webinar. The previous highs are broken and sweep the liquidity, but not create here SCOB, single candle order block. If market create here any SCOB, so this can be a very good trade for the sell, but price not create here, so break this high. So now you have to change your perspective for the buy. Let's look at the 15-minute time frame and 1 hour time frame is a similar situation as a bullet. The previous broken, higher high, higher low, another one is higher, this high is a broken, taken out as a good for the, I think price can be little bit more downside, either go higher and then interested for the buy, otherwise I'm looking here for sell move because the previous highs are broken, which grab the liquidity, which is indication for the downside. So possible move here for the short term in a downside, possibly here mitigate something. Okay, size down. Okay, so we can sell here for the short term till extreme PY Nifty ka structure bank choice. Let's check a daily time frame first. What happening here? Okay, price tap on extreme, continue going higher high, previous high. So possibly here for the short term move to the downside before continue go higher. 15-minute time when market sweep the high, main high or inducement, which is indication for the reversal technically, because market grab the liquid. Guide how to pass the funded challenge. I will suggest you start trading on your own account. Most of the prop fund company going, as you know, is a scam, so which will be more better if you check, if you trade on your account. DXY pair, no need to check a DXY while you are marking the structure on GBP, Euro USD. DXY mostly used when we are using correlation. I have a question. So this is a current situation in a bank Nifty. Higher high confirm here, equal high is a confirm, is an indication for the liquidity grab here. So right now you have to wait. Now there is no unmitigated order block, so price can be a little bit downside, but before to taking out this liquidity and then possibly move to the downside, because this one is an equal high, which is indication that everyone looking here for sell, and this one, and also people are looking for the buy on this black pattern is a breakout and failed and push downside. Just below it there is no unmitigated order block or order flow, so price can be pushed downside before to continue go higher. Liquidity एंट्री कैसे लें? लिक्विडिटी एंट्री आप पहले स्टडी करो, वीडियो कोर्स स्टार्टिंग से ई बुक स्टडी करो, ऐसे एंट्री नहीं लेते, उसको पहले थोड़ा सा स्टार्टिंग से स्टडी करो, उसमें सारा मेंशन किया हुआ है हिंदी इंग्लिश ई बुक में सब. हाउ टू ट्रेड न्यूज़ फर्स्ट थिंग, आई डोंट ट्रेड न्यूज़ बिकॉज आई डोंट नो एक्जैक्टली हाउ फंडामेंटल एक्चुअली वर्क, सो आई हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट इट. इफ anything work for you then you can, otherwise you have to stick on your analysis, which will be more better. DXY, okay, let's check DXY. This is our DXY pair here in a daily time frame. Okay, so everyone mark the structure here in a daily time frame in a DXY. After SCOB swooped, we need to lower time frame confirmation to enter trade. If SCOB in a higher time frame, like very larger time frame, then you can, otherwise you can trade directly, as I mentioned in a, I think in part 14-15, where I mentioned that how you can trade based on SCOB, because when you marking the SCOB, then you will see multiple SCOB in a lower time frame. Okay, price type there and create reaction, then we can use for the NT. You don't need to wait for chalk flip or anything, but you can refine into lower time frame SCOB for the additional confirmation. For session liquidity, which time frame is the best? I mean, follow 5-minute and 15-minute. 15-minute is a higher time frame and like very high time frame, and higher time frame gives more better view. Okay, so you can use 15-minute, but if work for you like 5-minute also, so you can trade. Otherwise I will suggest you in a start from 15-minute and then After that you can use 5 minute, because 5 minute is a medium time frame during a session time. So Indian market में 5 minute structure और 15 minute. सर 5 minute structure यूज़ करो एज अ डे ट्रेडिंग, एंड 15 मिनट और 1 आवर आप होल्डिंग के पर्पज से कर सकते हो, 1-2 दिन का होल्ड करना है। अदरवाइज आप 5 मिनट पे वर्क करो तो बेटर है, सही रिजल्ट आएगा। और 1 मिनट का आप लोअर टाइम फ्रेम लो तो ऑर्डर ब्लॉक पे नहीं, आप चौक के बाद में ऑर्डर फ्लो पे काम करिएगा तो ज़्यादा सही रहेगा। ओके, सो दिस डेली टाइम फ्रेम। ओके, लेट्स चेक इन अ 1 hour टाइम फ्रेम to see exactly. Okay, so this is our 1 hour time frame in a DXY. Everyone mark the structure here. I think this is a very simple here. Structure is a completely bearish here, like the lower low, lower high, again lower low, and again lower high, push down side. This low is a lower lows here, so this point become our lower high. If these both low are equal, in that case, otherwise I think these are equal, that's why I mark this one as a lower low. Another lower lows taken out, this lower highs are possible, but if market break this low. So this is a very simple, and market momentum, US price not tipped on the decisional VI order flow. And so this is a depend on a session timing. Okay, price not tap here, but here you will see in a session, during session timing you will see a lot of opportunity here. When sweep the previous session high or low, then you will get entry. So here you will see this one is the order flow right here. Main thing is the order flow, as I mentioned. Okay, first thing you have to mark the order flow, and then if order flow is already mitigated, in that case we use the order block. Priority किसे देनी है, sweep or session sweep. Sir, when you are mark the structure based on a structure and sweep this previous high or low, in that case, okay. Otherwise if the previous session high or low is a sweep, in that case we can use a session timing. Simply look at this one. In a part 21 I clearly mentioned, when order flow like create, then you have to mark in a lower time frame same order flow process, marking the lower time frame possible unmetered order block. So in this case you can see how many possible order flow. This one is the last buying move before this top, this one is the next one is here. So basically we have a 2 unmitigated order flow, right? Price type here, and then we can trade first one. And okay, first one is here, tap and create reaction, but there is no opportunity here. If price type here, so this is a possible scenario, and if we can trade here. If not, so this can be a miss. सिंपली यस सर। सेशन बेस्ड ट्रेड कैसे करें? जब आप सेशन बेस्ड से ट्रेड करोगे तो फिर आपको स्ट्रक्चर या फिर अदर चीज़ आपको कंबाइन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप सिंपली सेशन के प्रीवियस सेशन के हाई लो मार्क करो और उस पर ही काम करोगे, राइट। आप स्ट्रक्चर और सेशन दोनों कंबाइन करोगे तो कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे, ठीक है। When you are looking for the buy and sell based on session, then you don't need to mark the structure or anything. Simply Hindi is video, in English videos some part may be added, and I will try to create some structure, stuff for you, which will be released in after a new year. That's why December month completely will be off in terms of the weekly webinar. Otherwise other activity will be continue, like Discord community access and discussion, Telegram access, everything will be continued. Live trading will be also in. Equal high is a indication for what? Equal high is a indication for the liquidity. It means price can be again came back those zone to taken out those high, which is an indication for the liquidity. People are looking for the buy and sell on double top, double bottom, supply demand zone. That's why help us on a trade psychology. Yes sir, I will make a separate video on a to build a strong psychology mindset, how to raise question if you zoom without require. So simply you can text me on Telegram. I will respond in the next 24 hours, within 24 hours when I'm available. Will you make the video on psychology? Yes sir. हिंदी के सारे वीडियोस भी बनेंगे, अब दिसंबर मंथ में बनेंगे और जनवरी में पब्लिश। नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग टेलीग्राम। यस सर, बिकॉज द सो मैनी very large numbers question answer and other message, that's why sometime I was not able to see. For confirmation, high or low price should sweep IDM or just touch it enough. For the confirm high or low price, just sweep the previous IDM, that's enough. Okay, create Telegram. Sir, so many spammers and just not good for the Telegram. So Discord is a good. What is the difference between supply zone versus resistance? Resistance is a zone, like you can say any specific line in terms of the equal high, equal low. Okay, but supply zone can be in a different type, like equal high equal low also, but in terms of the order flow is also called supply zone. You know what I'm trying to say? When we are looking for the sell in a lower time frame, like 1 minute candle based pullback is a good or order flow type. So candlestick based is a little bit you can say very fast, but in terms, I will suggest you start from in a lower time frame, trade based on order flow in a 1 minute time frame, which will gives you more bet. You are not responding on so please text me on a telegram where I'm most of the time available. In which condition you take a shadow as a PY. When market sweep the previous high or low, then I use shadow as a PY. Also in single leg move, like impulsive move, price taken out the inducement, taken out the extreme, okay, and tap there and taken out the previous candle high or low and create shadow, then I use most of the time as a PY shadow. Can we combine daily liquidity, session liquidity and structure together before entry? Sir, when you are trading simply based on session timing, then you are adding so many things which will be confused. You have to stick on your own thing. Like if you are trading based on structure, then follow the structure. If you are trading based on session, then you have to stick on a session. Can I join your telegram? Telegram, I think I posted in a Discord so many times, so you can text me, otherwise you can mail. Forex trading, just say for Indians. Sir, in India there is no regulation for forex market, as you know. All brokers exchange are irregulated, so you can trade on your own risk, as you know, but safety purpose is only Indian stock market is safe. Which session is the best for trading? Mostly volume in a London session and New York session. More in a New York session you will see very high volume. Can you make a code algo on this strategy? Sir, I don't know how to make, so I have no idea about it. I open account in Dubai itself. Yes, from Dubai you can trade. There is no way. Okay, so now I have to finish this webinar. We have done almost 1 hour. Do you use RSI or moving it? No, sir. All right. So now I'm going to finish this webinar, and I will upload on Discord as soon as possible. And I will see you in the next webinar after New Year, and take some rest and enjoy your holiday. If I can make a code, it work. I don't know exactly. I have no idea about it, because coding and these things I don't know. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Have a nice great weekend. Your course is 100%. I will compare course with others. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day and have a nice great weekend and happy holidays. Take some rest from trading for a month, which will improve your psychological, your mindset, everything, and stay away from chart for 1 month. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Love you.